astronomy of Kumbh Mela. Among the largest festivals of India is the festival of Kumbh Mela, locally known in many parts by another popular name, Pushkaram. The Kumbh Mela is held at regular intervals by the banks of major rivers in different parts of the land. It is based on the movement of the planet Jupiter from one zodiac constellation to another in the sky as it revolves around the sun. Since Jupiter takes 12 years to transit through all the 12 zodiacs and complete one revolution, the Kumbh Mela is celebrated once every 12 years. One of the major Kumbh Mela of the land is celebrated on the banks of the river Godavari in Rajamundry every 12 years. But Kumbh Mela is not just a bathing festival. The word Kumbha means pot, pitcher, and is also the Indian name for the zodiac Aquarius, depicted as a pitcher bearer. The Kumbha is considered to be synonymous with the pitcher which broke open and split its contents, or Amrit, the nectar of immortality, to create the universe during the Samudra Manthan, or churning of the Milky Ocean, an allegorical legend that explains the process of creation of the universe. As per this legend, the pot of immortal nectar emerged when the Devas, loosely translated as gods, and Asuras, loosely translated as demons, churned the Milky Ocean with a snake as a rope. During this churning, along with a pot of immortal nectar, all the good and bad in the universe were also produced. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, also emerged from the Milky Ocean during this churning. This is a very popular legend and is seen in various forms of sculptures, paintings, etc., not only in India but also in Southeast Asia. This legend tallies very well with the Vedic description of Hiranyagarbha and it spewing out the universe. The participants in the Samudra Manthan, or churning, are the Devas and Asuras. The head of Devas is Indra. Vritra is a mighty Asura. The Indra-Vrita war going on in the Hiranyagarbha is similar to the churning by the Devas and Asuras. The emergence of Lakshmi from the Samudra Manthan finds equivalence in the concept of Lakshmi emerging from the same primordial waters as Narayana during creation. The platform for the Samudra Manthan is Vishnu as a tortoise. A tortoise brings to mind its behavior to withdraw itself fully into its hard shell and stay unmoving. This is similar to the Hiranyagarbha, a womb into which the previous cycle of creation withdraws and which contains the remains of the previous cycle of creation. The act of churning of the Milky Ocean, which produced all the good and the bad in the universe, also seems akin to the Panchikaranam process through which the entire universe was created. All these establish Kumbh festival as a festival to commemorate the creation of the universe and helps to place the event of the churning of the Milky Ocean as the Indra-Vritra war inside the Hiranyagarbha before it bursts open as the Big Bang and creates the universe. This Kumbha, or pot, is considered to be a pot filled with knowledge of life and immortality, and therefore Kumbh Rasi, Aquarius, a zodiac that looks like a pitcher bearer, is associated with knowledge. The Kumbh Mela therefore was initiated as a gathering to contemplate and meditate on the sciences of the world, right from the moment of creation, Shrishti, to the present status and problems of the society. It was designed as a regular forum for the people through the ages to congregate and discuss about societal progress and needs. Kumbh cannot be classified as a religious festival in the real sense of the word, because in India traditionally there have been 6 religions known as Shadamadam. While each of them had their own festivals, the Kumbh is a festival that spans across all the 6 religions. It is the gateway to understand the concept of creation. It is to correlate the microcosm with the macrocosm. Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. We should not relegate each Kumbh Mela to just be a bathing festival, but use it as an opportunity to reassess our thoughts and redefine our paths for the future. It is the time to celebrate and feel one with the science and spirit of creation. The home of knowledge, wisdom, and fine craftsmanship for thousands of years. This is amazing India.